Stereo amplifiers are the beating heart of any high-quality audio system. These devices take low-level audio signals and amplify them to power your speakers, bringing music and soundtracks to life. A great stereo amplifier can completely transform your listening experience, revealing nuances in recordings you may have never noticed before. In this video, we're taking a look at the best stereo amplifiers you can buy right now. All the amplifiers mentioned are linked in the description below. So, let's get started. Cambridge Audio CX-A81 Mark II. The Cambridge Audio CX-A81 Mark II is a premium integrated amplifier that delivers outstanding sound quality and versatility. With 80 watts per channel, it effortlessly powers a wide range of speakers, offering a refined yet dynamic audio experience. It features a high-end ESS Sabre DAC for superb digital playback and supports Bluetooth aptX HD for high-quality wireless streaming. Its wide range of inputs, including balanced XLR, ensures compatibility with various audio sources. The soundstage is expansive, with excellent clarity and detail, making it ideal for serious listeners. While it lacks a built-in phono stage and comes at a higher price, its performance and build quality more than justify the investment. Sony STR-DH190. The Sony STR-DH190 is a reliable and versatile stereo receiver that delivers impressive sound quality and user-friendly functionality. With 100 watts per channel, it provides clear, room-filling audio suitable for a wide range of speakers. A standout feature is its built-in phono input, allowing vinyl enthusiasts to connect turntables directly without an external preamp. It also offers Bluetooth connectivity for seamless wireless streaming from phones and tablets. The design is sleek and durable, and the interface is straightforward, making it easy to use for beginners and experienced users alike. While it lacks digital inputs and network features, the STR-DH190 excels at what it's built for, delivering high-quality stereo sound at an affordable price. Yamaha RS202BL. The Yamaha RS202BL is a budget-friendly stereo receiver that delivers impressive audio quality with a clean, minimalist design. With 100 watts per channel, it easily powers a wide range of speakers, producing clear and dynamic sound across genres. Bluetooth connectivity adds modern convenience, allowing seamless streaming from smartphones and other devices. Its straightforward interface and intuitive remote make it easy to use, even for beginners. While it lacks features like a phono input and advanced tone controls, the RS202BL focuses on what matters most: strong, reliable performance and excellent value for money. It's an ideal choice for those who want great sound without unnecessary extras. Onkyo A9110. The Onkyo A9110 is a high-quality integrated amplifier that delivers outstanding audio performance and build quality at an affordable price. Its standout features include a refined, detailed sound with excellent dynamic range and a built-in high-quality phono stage, making it perfect for vinyl enthusiasts. The direct mode bypasses tone controls for a purer signal, while the phase-matching bass boost enhances low frequencies without muddying the mids and highs. While it lacks Bluetooth and digital inputs, its focus on audio purity makes it an ideal choice for audiophiles who value clean, accurate sound above all else. Denon PMA600NE. The Denon PMA600NE is a versatile integrated amplifier that delivers exceptional audio performance across both digital and analog sources. It features a high-quality built-in DAC for clear, detailed playback from digital inputs and a dedicated phono input for cartridges that produces warm, rich vinyl sound. The analog mode disables digital circuits to preserve signal purity, while the advanced high-current design provides clean, powerful output even at high volumes. Though it lacks Bluetooth and network streaming, the PMA600NE shines where it counts, with refined sound, solid build quality, and seamless integration of multiple audio sources, making it a top choice for discerning music lovers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Until then, take care and stay updated with the latest in tech.